Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up one of my favorites, the Witch's Roots today. So just a few days ago I posted the Witch's Moon box and it's by the same company and that had a tarot theme, so of course I loved it. I'm not sure exactly what the theme of this one is, but it's obviously a witchy subscription, and the Witch's Roots, the one we're opening today, it is about $30. I think it's exactly $30 including shipping. And this one's all revolved around a specific root or plant each month, and I've been just loving the subscription so much. I will link down below the link to get the subscription, which I do pay for myself, FYI, and the other one, I'll post the link to the video for the Witch's Moon, which is the $45 box, which includes more stuff and has a different theme each month. I'm just loving this subscription so much. Before we get started, if you hear anything, there are landscapers outside. I was trying to wait, but my excitement, I just can't handle it. We have to get this box open, but I don't think it's too loud, so hopefully it's not an issue. And if you guys are new here, welcome, and welcome back to everyone else. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, so I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around if you haven't already. Let's get to the box. This is what it looks like. And when I open it, I love this part of the box. They intuitively draw an oracle or tarot card for each box. And then there's some art prints. Okay, something smells really good. We typically, I think, always get like a candle and incense and a stone and art prints, and it's amazing. Okay, but how about we start off with the oracle card? First off, this is a beautiful deck, the back of it. Bastet, excuse me. That is the Egyptian goddess that looks like a cat, right? Independence, protection, and boundaries. This deck is beautiful. I need to figure out what it is. It'll say on the little card, but this is beautiful. Independence, protection, and boundaries. I love this. Doesn't this deck look amazing? I'm gonna have to check it out more. Let's see. And then here is the card. Let's see what the theme is. It'll have the Divine Mother is the theme. And we have 10 items. And the personalized oracle reading is from the Goddess Spirit Oracle deck by Rachel Johnson. I love that. Yeah, so I love how they also give a little bit of an instruction. They're like, take some time to reflect on the wisdom it holds. Like, this was meant for you, intuitively pulled, and everything like that. And I can already, I'm going to do that later, but I can already get a sense of why I received that card. And there's a great description of everything we get in here. And I'll just quickly read what the theme is. We are continually finding ourselves pondering and working to understand our deep connection to the Divine Mother. The concept of this divinity is found within the teaching of Mother Earth and her direct correspondence with the goddess. Buried within this overwhelming sense of nurturing and wisdom, the Divine Mother is born. Through our practices and craft, we work with the natural flow of our surroundings to bring a variety of benefits to our current realities and experiences. This is truly the basis for many of the magical rituals that bring authentic change and manifestation into our lives. It is this very special and unique collection we work with, an assortment of herbs, oils, and totems to connect us more deeply with this powerful feminine energy. The magical items in this box are as follows. And we started with the first one, our card. Now, let's look at art prints. So we have two. One is always about the herb that we get every month. And then we have another one here that says Mother. Mother of us all, place of our birth, miracles great and small reside in the earth. I am obsessed with this subscription, you guys. I have their art prints all over now. They're just beautiful and have such meaning. And I swear, I know we're only like 2 items in the box, but the theme is, they always are so good at staying on point with the theme. So that's the art prints, and the herb is patchouli. And look at this. You can add this into your book of shadows, or you could be like me and just like hang these up. I just love them. I might start making, now that I've been getting this box for several months and definitely continue to do so, I might get like a specific book of shadows type thing just for these prints. I haven't decided yet, but yay, I love patchouli. So we're gonna get some patchouli herbs too. And by the way, look how much stuff is left and how nice it is packaged. So I love these because they talk about, obviously, the plant. They talk about the origin, other names. It goes by elements, celestial influences, zodiac signs associated with it, colors, stones, botanicals, animals, magical beings, and then the magical properties it goes in depth about. This is so exciting to me. Yay! And let's just go find the patchouli. Here it is. So we have a bag of it. I want to smell it. I love it. I've never actually had, I've had like patchouli essential oils and stuff like that, but never just the actual plant. This is awesome. So it is one of the most potent witches' herbs, and it connects us directly to the magic of earth and all its beneficial and supportive energies. It's one of the most common herb names found in many herbal blends, incense scents, and even ritual elixirs. Yes. I remember back in the day, I was like, oh, patchouli is such like a hippie scent. And like here I am, like 10 years later, and I'm like, yes, all this stuff. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, even though I want to. I'll read it myself later. But just for some examples, it can be used for love and money spells, and to help connect with earth and earthly energies. And it smells good too. It's great when an herb smells really good, and it's powerful, you know. So I'm super excited, and we have a good amount in here. So yay! Oh, I love this box. Let's keep going. There's something in a little box. Oh my god, it's so cute. Little squigglies. Why are like little boxes just the cutest thing ever? I wonder what it is. Ooh! Oh my god, look how it's packaged too. Are those little, this is like actual plants? What is this? Oh my god, this is so cool. But do you guys see this? This is like legit, like alive, I think. Like plant. Look at this, Divine Mother. Let me find Goddess Totem Keychain. This beautiful Goddess Totem has been included within the collection to act as a reminder of our connection with the Divine Feminine. As you hang this totem from your keys, include within the creation of the witch's bell, or place upon a talisman, allow the energies of the Divine Mother to continually bring you a sense of protection and peace of mind. I love this. I don't know if I feel like it's too precious to put on my keys. Maybe I'll hang it somewhere. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's awesome. Yay! Let's keep going. We have a stone here, and we usually get pretty unique stones. Let's see what it is. Plum Blossom Jade Tumbled Stone. Whoa, this is beautiful. I don't know much about this. I feel like I had plum tourmaline or something before, but this is Plum Blossom Jade. It's so hard to capture, at least from what I can tell on the viewfinder. Yay! I love getting new stones I don't already have in my collection, especially. We've included a beautiful Plum Blossom Tumbled Stone within this collection to encourage joy, happiness, renewal, and hope. Carry this stone with you throughout the day to dispel negativity and bring a sense of comfort to your aura. Love that. Awesome. Yay! And it looks like we have a spray or oil here. Let's see. I love this. I use their oils and their aura sprays all the time, like every day. Divine Mother Ritual Aura Spray. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Divine Mother Ritual Aura Spray within this collection. This very special blend was created to enhance your connection with the Divine Feminine Source and earthly correspondence. As you spray around yourself in reading area, state your intentions and visualize your emotional and physical body preparing for a communion with the Divine Consciousness. We have created this ritual oil aura spray with the oils of rose, jasmine, and white tea, and a special mixture of our nurturing goddess magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. I love this stuff, you guys, seriously. I have the tarot one right here that I received just a few days ago. It smells so good, and it does smell feminine. I love it. I love this box so much. And we're not done. Yeah, we got our incense. Like, I love their incense. They burn forever and they smell so good. And this is called Inner Temple. These wonderfully fragrant ritual sticks were placed within the collection to bring a fresh and revitalized energy to your space. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft throughout your area, take a deep and intentional breath, allowing yourself to reset your internal clock and work to heal any worrisome emotions. I'm all about the deep breaths. If you guys haven't taken one, take a deep breath right now, and it always helps and calm. And looks like we have another herbal blend here. The Mother Guardian Ritual Herbal Blend by the Witch's Noon. Let's see what's in this. Awesome. We created this soothing ritual herbal blend with the intention of providing you with the energy of protection and comfort during your rituals. This wonderfully stimulating blend includes jasmine, St. John's wort, and spearmint. Include this in your sachets, dream pillows, incense blends, or simply place upon your altar. And then we have one more thing. We get a candle, like I said, and here is our candle. Let's see, sometimes it's already anointed with oils and herbs. Where is it? Oh, Of Nurturing Kind Mini Spell Candle. We hand-rolled this Nurturing Kind mini spell candle with the intention of promoting energies of protection and understanding. So it was anointed with rose and jasmine oils and also rolled in raspberry leaf to enhance the nurturing qualities. So I just want to open it carefully. I don't want to... Oh, that's so pretty. I love the color of it. I love this. You guys, this box seriously is so good. If you're into this type of thing, I highly recommend it. And I love that they have multiple different subscription options. They actually have 3. I get 2 out of 3. The third one that I don't get is the most expensive, I believe, and you get like a really special jewelry piece and other things too, I believe. Let me know if you get that one. Should I get that as well? But I love this. It makes my day. It expands my practice. It expands my mind and my well-being. And it's always just so lovely to get, and I use all the items and it makes me happy. So I hope this video makes you happy, and I hope you're doing well. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you think of this box. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. So that means I will see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.